Well, let me show you my folding door spring-loaded locking mechanism. Often I can't get through the hallway because the kids leave the door open, so press here. Door spring's closed. Slide the door open. Locks like so. This is Velcroed on. Got Velcro here. Got a compliant mechanism spring there. Everything's tied together with pulleys and elastic bands. On the back side, sorry, we have a 3D printed mechanism. It's just holding that knot there. And a length of elastics. Opening the door, just push like so. Ramps here, locks on the back side. Then to close it, just push there. And you're all locked up. They just buckle a little, so you close them like so.